May it be a light for you in dark places when all other lights go out.
Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? Today we're taking a look at the Fenix E06R Pro RG. I believe that this is their first foray into the wedge light market, and it's a very nice light. So we're going to take a look at this guy and all its features. First thing we got here in the box is 1600 lumens, 160 meter throw, 1650 milliamp battery built into it. Very nice. Here's our specifications right here. Leave that up for a second so you can read it. Now they make two different versions of this. They make a version with UV light and a red laser, and then they make a version with the red light and a green laser, and I have the red light green laser version, okay? So first thing you do when you open the box, it teaches you how to lock and unlock the light. So I'll show you that here real quick. To lock it, you hold down the red and the green side buttons, 2 seconds, and it'll flash twice. Then the light is locked. So you get your blinking. And to unlock it, you just do the same thing. And there you go. Okay. Now this has a side switch. They call it a spine switch. And we also got a tail cap switch here. Then we have this button here, which switches between... Let me turn this on real quick here, a little brighter. Okay, so here we are. We got this button here. This switches between flood and spot. You can see the flood is a bit more of a natural white, and the flood is a very, very cool white light. And I like a cool white light for a flood. So, I mean for a spot. And you can see the spotlight is a very bright white light, which I like. So very cool. Okay, so there's two ways you can turn it on. You can turn it on here. Okay, you just press and hold and it'll turn on. And it'll remember the last setting. And then down here, you could just press and hold. Okay, now, to cycle through the brightness, you just tap the button, either one. Okay. Very easy, and like I said, you turn it on and off, and it remembers the last mode. Now for strobe, you just press and hold down the spine button. And for turbo, you press and hold down the tail cap. So I believe it's 1 second, full second, that you hold down the spine switch for the strobe. And I think it's 0.8 seconds that you hold it down for the turbo. You can turn the light off either from the tail switch or the spine switch. Now for your laser, you just press the green button and hold it. And then for the red light, you just press and hold the red button on the side. And then the red light has 2 settings for brightness. You just tap the red light and that'll flick it between high and low. Now we're going to get out here tonight and we're going to demonstrate this thing in use so you could see how it functions and everything. I live on a very dark homestead out in the country, and we'll be able to put this flashlight to a pretty good test out here. We'll take a look at what else comes in the box. We got all our manuals and such on this side. And then over here we have a charger, of course. And if we can get it out of here, a lanyard. So pretty cool. And this light comes in different colors. You can see them all on the website. And then we, of course, have our nice pocket clip on the back. Light end down, which is the way I like it. This is a pretty nice light. I have tested probably a dozen different Fenixes at this point. They're one of my very favorite brands. They have very, very high quality for like a fraction of the cost of a steel fire. These are actually really, really nice lights, and they're competitive with anything on the market, in my opinion. Really, really like them. So let's get out here tonight and take a look at this thing. All right, folks, we are out here with our Fenix E06R professional model, the RG. This one has the red light and the green laser. Now, if we flip the switch, we go to red mode. Right here. And then we click it back over. We're on white light. Now this is the medium setting. Now we are out on my homestead and it is incredibly dark out here, folks. So let's go up one more step. Tap it up one more. Now we're on flood mode right now. If I click over to spot mode, you can see the beam intensity changes. And we're just on medium here. Okay, there we're on high. You can see that is very, very bright. Let's flick to flood on high. Now on flood mode on high, my human eye outperforms the camera pretty considerably. I could see about 60 yards or so probably. If I switch to the spot there, I am easily seeing into the woods over there. There's actually woods over there. I'll take a walk over here so you can see it. Now again, my human eye greatly outperforms my camera at night. I apologize for that. But you can see we have very dense woods here, and I could see 25, 30 yards into those dense woods, no problem. It's a very bright light. Let's go over this way. Now, to activate our strobe, you're going to hold this switch down for 0.8 seconds from the next switch. There you go. And it's got two different types of strobes that alternate. Supposedly that is even more disorienting than a normal single strobe. Then we turn it off. And if we go to the tail cap switch and hold that down, we get our turbo mode. And you can see that is very, very bright. That building over there is 200 yards away. And again, with my naked eye, that is lighting up that parking lot over there. So this is very, very bright. You could see, if I turn this light out, we are just pitch black here, folks. Hit that, boom. And we can see very, very far. So this is a very impressive light, has excellent performance. There's one of our little combat kitties. Say hello, combat kitty. But yeah, this is a very impressive light. It's very small. Fenix makes just absolutely world-class flashlights. And for the money, they're just phenomenal value. So definitely very cool. All right, folks, let's head back in. Okay, folks, so you saw what this thing can do at night. You saw it performance. It's excellent performance. Its performance actually significantly exceeds the capability of my camera to capture how good it is. So really, really nice. Just another hit from Fenix. You can see we got our USB-C charger right here. Just another hit from Fenix. This is an IPX6 light. This would be really good for any sort of reasonable or realistic EDC needs. I think this would be really good for pretty much just about anyone. This is a really, really nice light, and the price is fantastic. This is significantly less than $100, so can't go wrong there. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remind me out.